cooperation, conflict, and competition, interrelationships. Cooperation is the basic form of human interaction in which man strive jointly with each other for a good goal. Competition as a form of interaction occurs when two or more persons or groups struggle for some goal. Conflict takes the form of emotionalized and violent opposition in which the major concern is to overcome the opponent as a means of securing a given goal or reward. It is direct and openly antagonistic struggle of persons or groups for the same object or end. Cooperation is an associative process, while competition and conflict are disassociative processes. Competition and conflict divide men, but competition differs from conflict in that the former is impersonal, while the later is personalized competition in a less violent form of struggle than conflict. The three forms of interaction thus appear to be distinct and separate. In reality, however, cooperation, conflict, and competition are interrelated. They are ever present processes in human relations. They are not separable thing, but basis of one processes which involves something of each. According to Cooley, conflict and cooperation are not separable thing, but basis of one process which always involves something of both. Even in the most friendly relations and in the most intimate associations, there is some point where interests diverge. They cannot therefore cooperate beyond that point, and conflict is inevitable. The closest cooperation, for instance, within the family does not prevent the occurrence of quarrels. Cooperation exists between men when their interests remain harmonious. But according to Davis, there is no group, whether family or the friendly group, which will not contain the seeds of suppressed conflict. Elements of conflict exist in all situations because the ends which different individuals try to attain are always to some extent mutually exclusive. Conflict also involves cooperation. In very conflict, there is some hidden basis of compromise or adjustment. There is no competition which will not contain the seeds of conflict. As competition becomes more personal, it shades into conflict. Conflict does not always occur when competition becomes acute. It only happens if attitudes of the competitors become personal and hostile toward one another. But every competition will contain such attitudes, though suppressed. An individual wishes not only to win the prize but beat another individual. Each knows that he can with the prize only by defeating the other. When competition becomes personalized, in this way become keener hostility between the actors easily develops. Competition also involves cooperation. A competitive struggle implies some agreement among the competitors. Members of football teams compete according to rules prescribed for them. But since they are alike individuals living together in one habitat, compete with each other in obtaining things which each is able to get by his own effort. They combine their effort obtain things that no one can get without the help of others. Whatever happens, their interests and activities are not wholly harmonious and easily become antagonistic. Competition tends to endanger conflict, inimical to group solidarity. Eventually, an equilibrium of live and let live is arrived, at which makes conscious association possible for human beings. Thank you. Have a nice day.